Peter Petty is a Sacramento-based band leader and good friend of the show that knows how to have fun. Today we're getting a sneak peek of his upcoming holiday special, and we are so happy to welcome Peter back to the show. Peter, it's great to meet you. It's my first time meeting you, but it's always great to meet a friend of the show, and you've been bringing so much energy this Friday.
Well, one does what one can, what one has.
What do you have planned for the holidays?
Well, I'll tell you, it's funny you should ask, Abra, but we have a little program, little show we're calling Return of Son of
plug here.
Hepcat's Holiday. It's my fifth annual holiday show. It's I love Sacramento. I've lived here since I was 10 years old. I love the holidays, just that lightning in your heart. And I love to be a part of it. So
you do an annual holiday show.
I do indeed, yeah.
Is the Hepcat's Holiday, is it a different theme every year?
The theme is Yuletide. It's a swinging Yuletide review, yeah. So we try to hit as many holidays as we can, except for Venezuelan Beaver Day. That one's hard to get out there.
Yeah, I don't know if I've heard that
Yeah, a lot of people don't celebrate it, but nonetheless we do. But it's mostly Christmas-centric, of course.
So if no one's ever had the chance to experience your show live, what can they expect?
You can expect, let's see, there's a dance floor, an overflow dance floor. We got an 11-piece swing orchestra. We got burlesque dancers. We got two bars, no waiting. So essentially, it is a Sunday evening, so we're going to try to get you out about 9:30, early enough. But at the very least, you know, it's a great excuse to call in sick Monday morning.
And your music, it's that 1930s big band music sound.
Right.
What sparked your interest toward that era, toward that genre of
music?
Well,
as I say, my parents came of age in the 1950s, so they were born in the 30s. And so I think that was always just ringing in my ears growing up. It's very natural to my ear, just singing that kind of music. And the more I became educated, the more my ears just got bigger and bigger, and then I was introduced to the African American contributions to swing music, especially, realizing that's indeed what it is. So that's a lot of what we evoke. We like to start in the Harlem Renaissance and take it all the way
well,
up to,
I mean, you're a showman for sure. You've got to bring your dancing shoes.
Yes, you do.
You've got to have your energy up, because this guy brings the energy and it's infectious, but you got to make sure you can hang. Where can people find you? Where's the show going on?
My website is called peterpetty.biz. You can locate it there. You can also go to eventbrite.com to get your tickets. You can also just find me floating around. I have tickets on me right now.
Okay, so you said Sunday. What Sunday? This Sunday?
This Sunday. Sunday the 15th at the Elks Tower Ballroom, the beautiful, historic, it's an exquisite room. It's just perfect for what we're doing. Elks Tower Ballroom in downtown Sacramento on 11th Street between I and J.
Okay, so you're going to give us a little taste, right?
That's the idea.
All right, I cannot wait to get this little preview. Let's hear from the very talented Peter Petty and his amazing band. Have a great weekend and take it away, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
California, this is your life.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.